Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. So today I'm going to come to you just for a few minutes so I can reiterate, yep, I know it's a big word, but there it is, and about what went on with the live with Donna. So the reason I'm doing this is for those that didn't catch Donna last night and me with my interview. I'm going to go ahead and go over a little bit of this so that you can write it down and go ahead and get your emails sent out. So first off, I did already tell you the dates that was discussed again. If you want to write them down, they are all on Sunday. They all start at 6 o'clock. July 10th, we're going to do a channel roundup, and it's an update. It's going to be the block assembly with whatever we have. All going to be on Donna's channel. On Sunday the 17th at 6 o'clock, it'll be block assembly again in chat. Just like before, it's going to be on Donna's channel. On Sunday, July 31st, 6 p.m. on her channel will be the block assembly and chat. And then on Sunday, August 7th, 6 o'clock, we're going to finish off any last and final block if needed. And then we hope to have a 30-day turnaround. That should be good enough to get these sent in. We might not need that much time, but we'll see. But we're saving this just in case. And then on the 14th, we're going to be discussing with Stephanie on her channel. And she's going to be the lady who's volunteering the long arm. She's YouTube. And I'll put her YouTube, her channel and Donna's, in case you've missed this up to this point. It's either going to be live or pre-recorded. It's going to be up to Stephanie. And then she's going to be doing the long arming. And so whatever she wants to work out, we're going to allow 2 weeks for the mailing. And then on Sunday, September 11th, it's going to come to me. Now, first it's going to be shipped from Donna to Stephanie, from Stephanie to me, and me back to Donna. And tonight it was asked if they could, if one of the YouTubers asked if they could volunteer to send in money for the postage and everything. I don't think that I want anybody to send any money to me. I'm just doing this on my own. I don't know what it's going to run, but I've got enough money set back a little bit to do this, okay? So again, Sunday, September 11th, we're going to join me on my channel for the binding and the finishing up. And now I'm asking that my YouTubers, and so is Donna asking, that you guys give us some donation ideas. If you've got something that's dear to your heart, or you have some type of place that's brand new and nobody's heard about it, write a little bit about it so we know what it is. And then we're going to take and pick from this list the drawing of the where to donate. I'm going to pick from the list, and I believe Donna's going to pick from the list. I think Stephanie, she gave 3 examples of places to send to, but I would like my YouTubers to have a choice in this. So this way that one of those quilts will go to whoever based on my YouTubers. And right now, as of today, before we got off of line, there were 26 email asking for the blocks, and it's a turnaround real quick, because while we were online and everybody was emailing in, Joe, which is Donna's husband, went ahead and sent out the blocks immediately. So she was letting the 26 people know that they had received their email and now they had their blocks sent back to them. So if there was any kind of problems, they could tell us right off the bat. So let me give you Donna's channel, and I will also put it across the screen down here. It is Donna at handmadebyying.com. All lowercase, it's not specific, so Donna is spelled D-O-N-N-A. It's the @ the word handmade, H-A-N-D-M-A-D-E, by B-Y, ying, Y-I-N-G. So there will be 2 Y's in your email, .com. In the subject line, you'll put traveling quilt. All right? So if you want to, you can go back and watch Stephanie did not join us. She wasn't feeling well. You can watch Donna's video with me interviewing me, and it went up tonight, which is Monday, June 27th, if you want to hunt for it. Now this is going out tomorrow, this one right here. So this is going to go up on Tuesday. So you can catch it, you can back up and listen to it. Joe is going to send out the squares up until July 2nd. So that's going to be the last day to get your email asking for a block. And it is exactly 1 week, a week from today. So it's the 2nd, which is Saturday, well, a little bit under a week, at 6 p.m. So they're going to quit sending blocks 6 p.m. on July 2. Now, they hope to have all the blocks returned by July 23rd. That's 3 weeks from the 2nd of July, just to give you an idea. Now, if 1 or 2 straggle in after the 23rd, that's fine, but we would like to make the cutoff July 23rd. So once you get your email back that shows your block, You're going to go ahead and make your block up, put it in a regular size envelope, a regular stamp, and send it to Donna. And we hope to have all the blocks back by the 23rd. And like I said, there was already, I think, did I say 26 or 28? I think there's 28 already. I'm sure there's more now because the video is over. But I just wanted to bring that back to you real quick. This is that traveling quilt that Stephanie, I, and Donna are all involved in. We're trying to get at least 3 of them to donate. If we have more blocks, we will set them back because we're going to plan on doing this every single year. You may participate even if you are not in the United States. If your block comes late, then it can go for next year's blocks, and Donna will hold on to all the blocks. All right, so that's all I got to say. I can't think of anything else. If you got any questions or anything, by all means, shoot all the questions over there to Donna. She will give you the answer. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put her YouTube, Stephanie's YouTube, and the email for Donna along the bottom of this so that it can all be in here. As a matter of fact, I'll put it at the very tail end of this because this isn't even going to be 10 minutes long. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put all that information at the very end of this video. All right, thanks everybody for watching, and thank you all my YouTube subscribers and all the new subscribers that are joining also. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.